If you look around your house, you will see many devices that have electric motors, such as kids' toys, table fans, toothbrushes, hair dryers, and this electric cutting knife. But how does the electric motor work? You turn it on, and somehow it starts rotating. Why is that? In this video, we'll cover the basics of electricity and magnets, and then put it all together to understand how the motor works. Now, let's come over here. This is a magnet. It has a north pole and a south pole, and it likes to attract other metal objects like these paper clips. If you bring another magnet towards it, opposite poles attract, and the same poles repel. The magnets don't have to be in this shape. For example, some magnets might be more flat, like this. You can think of this magnet as always on. It's always working. You can't really turn it off. That's why it's sometimes called a permanent magnet. It's made up of any smaller magnet domains that are lined up in the same direction, but later I'll show you a type of magnet where this not always the case. Let's take one of our permanent magnets and drill a hole in the center and put it on something that will allow it to spin. Now, bring another magnet towards it. Our spinning magnet will immediately line up until opposite poles are right next to each other. Now, switch out the side magnet. The same poles repel and opposite poles attract. If we keep switching out these side magnets, then our spinning magnet will just keep spinning. This concept of the spinning magnet is really important. We'll come back to it in a moment.